Today Leo is going somewhere very exciting, the supermarket. But when the doors open by themselves, Leo has lots of questions. What is a trolley lock? What does best before mean? And why is the self-checkout machine angry at Leo? Let's learn easy English words together with Leo and Anna. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your favourite supermarket food below. Ready? Let's go shopping with Leo.
Mom, the doors opened by themselves. I didn't touch them.
Those are called automatic doors.
Automatic. What does automatic mean?
Automatic means it works by itself. Nobody needs to press a button. The door has a sensor.
What is a sensor?
A sensor detects movement. When you walk close, it sees you. Then it opens the door.
So the door can see me?
In a way, yes.
Hello, door.
Come on, Leo.
Goodbye, door. Mom, it is so big and so bright.
Yes, supermarkets are very big. They sell everything.
Everything?
Almost everything. Food, drinks, cleaning products, clothes sometimes, medicine, flowers.
Do they sell toys?
Some supermarkets do, small ones.
Which aisle?
We are not here for toys, Leo.
I know, I'm just asking for information.
Come on, let's get a trolley first.
Mom, why is there a coin in the trolley?
That is a trolley lock. You put a £1 coin in here and the trolley unlocks.
And you get the money back?
Yes, when you return the trolley, your coin comes out.
So it is not really paying, it is a deposit.
Yes, exactly, a deposit.
Can I push it?
Very good word, Leo. There we go. Yes, but carefully. Don't knock anyone.
I am the trolley driver.
Yes, you are.
Mom, that sign hanging from the ceiling, it says aisle 3, dairy. What is dairy?
Dairy means food made from milk. Like cheese, butter, yogurt, cream.
Oh, and milk too?
Yes, milk is dairy.
Aisle 1, bakery. Aisle 2, meat and fish. Aisle 4, cereals and breakfast. Aisle 5, snacks and drinks.
Good reading, Leo.
Mom, what is an aisle?
An aisle is a long walkway between two rows of shelves. Each aisle has different products.
So we follow the aisle signs to find what we need?
Exactly. It makes shopping faster.
Mom, can I hold the list? I can find everything.
Okay, but read carefully.
Milk, bread, eggs, cheese, tomatoes, pasta, washing up liquid, Bananas. I can find all of these.
Let's start with the fruit and vegetables. That way.
Mom, these bananas, they have a small sticker on them. It says a number. What is that?
That is a PLU code. It stands for Price Lookup. The number tells the checkout machine what the product is and how much it costs.
So every fruit has its own number?
Yes, bananas have one number. Apples have a different number.
This apple has a sticker too, a different number.
Yes, the machine reads that number.
Mom, that sign says organic. What does organic mean?
Organic means the food was grown without artificial chemicals.
Is it better?
Many people think so, but it is usually more expensive.
Oh, yes. These organic tomatoes are £2.50. These normal ones are £1.20.
Good maths, Leo.
We are getting the normal ones.
Good decision.
Mom, I can smell bread. Fresh bread.
Yes, many supermarkets bake bread fresh in the store. Smell brings customers here.
That is clever. Mom, this bread says best before and then a date. What does best before mean?
Best before is the date until food is best quality. After that date, it may not taste as good, but it is usually safe.
This one says use by. Is that the same?
No, use by is more important. You must eat it before that date. After the use-by date, the food could be unsafe.
So best before is about taste. Use by is about safety.
Exactly right.
This one has a longer date. We get this one.
Perfect choice.
Mom, why is this section so cold?
Because dairy products need to be kept cold. It stops them going bad.
It is like a cold room.
Yes, these are refrigerated aisles.
Mo, that sign on the fridge door, it says multi-buy, 3 for £5. What does that mean?
It means if you buy 3 items, the total is £5. It is cheaper than buying one by one.
How much is one by itself?
£2 each.
So you save £1?
Yes. Well done, Leo.
Done. I saved us £1. I am very good at shopping. Mom, that sign says reduced to clear. What does that mean?
It means the product is close to its use-by date. So the shop reduces the price. They want to sell it quickly.
So it is cheaper because it needs to be eaten soon?
Yes, it is still perfectly good. Just needs to be eaten soon.
That is smart. The shop doesn't waste food, and customers save money.
Exactly.
And that one, new in. Obviously, that means it is new in the shop.
Yes, new products that arrived.
Award-winning. That means it won a prize?
Yes, it won a food award.
Mom, can we try the award-winning cheese? Cheese is on the list, and this is cheese.
Fine. Award-winning cheese it is.
Mom, so many cereals. How do people choose?
It is difficult. That is why packaging is colourful. To attract you.
This one has a cartoon character on it, and it says high in sugar.
Yes, many cereals are high in sugar. That is why I check the label.
What is a label?
The label is the information printed on the box. It shows ingredients and nutritional information.
Nutritional. What does that mean?
Nutritional information tells you what is inside the food. How much sugar, fat, salt, protein, calories.
There are so many numbers here.
The important ones are sugar, fat, and salt. Some labels use a traffic light system.
Traffic lights? Like red, yellow, green?
Yes, red means high, yellow means medium, green means low.
This cereal has a red circle for sugar. That means it is very sugary?
Yes.
I will find a better one. This one has green for sugar, and green for fat, and yellow for salt.
Good choice.
I am basically a nutritionist now.
Basically.
Mom, washing up liquid is on the list. What number aisle is it?
Aisle 8. Cleaning and household.
Found it. Mom, this bottle says concentrated formula. What does concentrated mean?
Concentrated means it is very strong. You only need a small amount.
So you don't use the whole bottle at once?
No, just a small squeeze. It makes lots of bubbles.
And this sign, eco-friendly. What does eco-friendly mean?
Eco-friendly means it is good for the environment. It does not harm nature.
Like recycling?
Yes,
We should always buy eco-friendly things.
you are right, Leo.
This one, better for the planet.
We should always buy eco-friendly things.
Yes,
This one, better for the planet. Mom, there are two types of checkouts. That one has a person sitting, and that one has a machine.
the checkout with a person is called a manned checkout.
Manned means a person is there?
Yes, manned means operated by a person.
And the other one?
That is the self-checkout. You scan everything yourself.
Can we do the self-checkout?
Okay, come on.
What do I do first?
First, touch the screen.
Done!
Take an item and find the barcode. Hold it in front of the red light.
Beep! It worked!
Well done. Now put it in the bagging area. That is the shelf on the left. Careful with the eggs.
Done! Next! Beep! 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 Mom, the machine is angry at me.
It is not angry. It just detected something unexpected. It happens sometimes. Wait, a staff member will come.
There you go. All fixed.
Thank you. The machine and I had a small disagreement.
It happens to everyone.
Beep! 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 All done! Mom, it says 34 pounds and 50 pence. And it says, do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, this is our loyalty card.
What is a loyalty card?
When you shop regularly, you collect points. Later, you can use points to save money.
So the more you shop, the more you save?
Yes, the shop rewards you.
That is clever. The shop wants you to always come back here.
Exactly.
Done! Now pay?
Yes, tap my card.
Beep!
Thank you. Transaction complete.
Mom, transaction. What does that mean?
A transaction is a payment. When money moves from one account to another. That is a transaction.
Transaction complete. Shopping complete. Leo complete.
Come on, Leo. Come on, let's pack the bags.
Mom, these bags, they are thick and strong.
These are reusable bags. We bring them every time.
Why not use new plastic bags?
Plastic bags are bad for the environment. Reusable bags are better.
Eco-friendly again.
Yes, you are learning fast.
Mom, I did the whole shopping today.
You helped a lot today.
I found the items, I pushed the trolley, I scanned everything, I paid.
You did very well.
The doors again. Hello, door. I am back.
Come on, Leo.
Mom, next time can I write the shopping list too?
We'll see.
I will put award-winning cheese on the list every week.
Of course you will.
And maybe, just maybe, a small toy for information purposes.
Come on, Leo. Home time.